So today we're installing a Pentair control panel, and what I did was I brought all my loads from all my motors to the terminals. These contactors are controlled by this control panel. The transformer for this control panel is right here, and it goes to a 15 amp circuit. And then the GFCI for the lighting transformer, for the low voltage lighting for the swimming pool, the transformer goes from the GFCI breaker to the lighting contactor, from the lighting contactor straight down to the lighting transformer. So it is on an auxiliary, which is auxiliary 2 or 3, I think it's 3, for the lights. Now, auxiliary 2 is the lights. Yeah, auxiliary 2. This is auxiliary 2, this is auxiliary 1, this is auxiliary 3. So, auxiliary 1, or the first contactor, you don't count it because it is the filter pump. The filter pump, then on the load side, you get the cleaner pump, turns on the cleaner pump, which turns on auxiliary 3, and it turns on a few seconds later. Now, and what's great about these panels, the Pentair panels, is that these Pentair panels have a beautiful plan displayed here, so you can know what to do with it. And so you got your heater and all that stuff. But what we got is the filter pump, which also on the load side controls auxiliary 3, which is the cleaner pump. And then you got your heater and your blow pump, your blowers right there. So you have to remembering that the cleaner pump turns on afterwards. So you hit it. I hit auxiliary 3, cool auto air. So how this control panel works is way beyond my knowledge. My only knowledge has to be on how to land this stuff. So what you do is, these are simple contactors. You're gonna bring from your main panel to the new panel, which is the control panel for all the motors, which is a smart system, and it absolutely tells it, you can work it from your phone, tell it what to do. So it absolutely tells it what to do, and you can work it from your phone. That's the great thing about this panel. So you take all the lines and you bring them to your line side, which is these two right here are always your line. These two are your line. This is your line, that's your load, that's your line. This is your load, this is your line. But these two lines for the cleaner pump will come off this, because this filter pump has to be on first for, like I told you in one of my pool episodes, it has to be on for like 15 seconds or 25 seconds before it goes on. So I don't know, and if you come here and you turn on heater, or you can turn on, whatever. But the guy knows how to do that. I just, like I said, I do the wiring, and then I bring all my lighting contactors for all my lighting in the pool right here to the lighting transformer. What you see, it's auxiliary 2. When I hit auxiliary 2, the pool lights turned on, if you can see them over there. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it from this distance. But all the pool lights are on, and it looks amazing. And tonight, it's gonna look super amazing. So, I don't know. I really don't know nothing about this itself, the Pentair Easy Touch control system for pool and spa. So, it controls the spa and everything. And it has a low voltage transformer which controls the control panel. It has a low voltage transformer which controls the control panel. And the control panel has two screws on top. I'm going to open it now. And then all these contactors are controlled by this auxiliary board here, the brains, and the antenna goes here, which is red, yellow, green, and black. And then also the cleaner pump also lands on here, and this control panel right here tells the cleaner pump when to turn on when I hit that button. And then you're gonna get these wires coming from down below, these contactors, which these are the contactor wires. They actually activate the contacts. They make the contacts close, which turns on the breaker automatically, because the line side is always on. So you go from breakers to contactors. The first one you land, and usually I make that the first breaker. On this instance, I made it the second because the first I had to use it for the other pump. But you got the filter, which also controls the cleaner, and then you got the heater and all that, and the lighting. I use one contactor for my lighting, one of the and it's auxiliary too. I don't know if you can see that. And somehow you can learn how to control it, and that's something that they do at the manufacturer, and they teach the owner how to do it, which I am not certified in that yet. I haven't taken a class for that, so I really don't want to misguide you or mislead you in all that. And then, so here's an auxiliary wire which goes up to where I showed you, up here to the control panel, and it lands here. And this is how it tells it to turn on and off. So then you close this and you're all set. I hope this helps you on how to land one of these pool motors, these Pentair pool motors. They're very simple, and then usually the Pentair people come out here and they send the representatives, and that guy usually lands everything, not lands everything, that's your job as an electrician, but he programs the whole board. It's helpful if I learn how to do it. I haven't learned how to do it yet, but this is my first time doing one. That's why I wanted to share it with you. Thank you very much. I hope you all learned something from this. I hope you learned that pools are not made for poor people like me.